recognize important cultural properties of Japan while preserving and restoring them with the process. And today, before introducing our company, I will first show you part of our service and digital contents we have made. These are the demo versions of our online building platform, Tambo. Some of our contents are uploaded here. Here is a 3D movie showing the gimmick of the Japan's traditional performing arts, No, and is used for tourism. As you can see, there are many pictures under the stage as a speaker. Even the No artists have never got into this hidden area. Our contents that connect tourism and the culture of Japan with the world are composed of 4K, 316 movies, 3D movies, VR movies with multiple language. These are Ponka movies of the Sambo Inn of Daigoji Temple in Kyoto, a world cultural heritage built in the mid-9th century. After the 3D scanning, we create digital contents that can be viewed on smartphones. It will release as an online sightseeing video that is accessible locally and internationally. We are planning to add a subscription payment system to our site in this year. For example, when people subscribe to our platforms, they can watch all the contents without limitations. And we will return part of the process to the cultural properties based on views and viewing time. We aim to build a platform that delivers not just the cultural properties in Japan, but also all the cultural properties that need to be preserved around the world. For example, the Città di Paldio in Italy was found more than 2,500 years ago, and is famous known as the Dying City due to its unstable foundations. We would like to digitally archive these valuable cultural properties around the world and preserve them for the next generations. Let's get back to the introduction of our companies. Our CEO, Mitali Simuna, started our companies in 2018 after the Kumamoto earthquake. In 2016, a magnitude 7 earthquake occurred at Kumamoto in Japan. Many historical properties collapsed and were damaged as the result of the earthquakes. Our CEO office and home were totally destroyed at that time. So this is the start point of our company. A year after the earthquake, a picture and an article saying that photo and movie requests caught our CEO attention. This is the collapsed worship hall of the Association, and important cultural properties built in 2,500 years ago. The purpose of the articles was to create a blueprint for rebuild. As there was no blueprints for the old buildings, rebuilding remained difficult. At that time, our CEO was working on the investigations and soundness of infrastructure maintenance. This work requires processing huge amount of data safely, efficiently, and accurately. This is where he came across and utilized the 3D scan technology. As you know, Japan has long been a region where natural disasters of different types occurs. For example, earthquakes, heavy rains, volcanic eruptions, typhoons, and tsunami. They cause damage not only to the society, but also have a huge impact on cultural properties that have existed for more than 1,000 years. 4 years ago, a fire occurred at Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris because of an accident. However, unlike Association, it could be able to start the reconstruction quickly. One of the reasons for the quick reconstructions is the data from a 3D scan in 2015, which provide a major stepstone to the reconstruction. We make our service possible by our patented measurement methodology and edit and analyze technology. We are also developing and applying for patents in the digital field, including XR technology. These techniques help us to provide new service. By using those techniques, improves reproducibility, enable the production of high-quality digital contents using 3D data. This laser scan arm mode captures 30 million points of point counts per second at very high accuracy, while also getting color information of the scanned object at the same time. This movie shows how we scan our footage schedule and how we process the 3D data obtained. We changed the parameter setting and scanning methods for each workpiece to obtain the best 3D data. We are solving the problems of cultural properties and society by first, cultural property rescue, second, digital archive, third, digital contents, and last but not least, our online viewing platform, Tambo. We are now requests for ideas, recommendations, cooperations, and partnerships. If you are interested, you are always welcome to contact us. Thank you for your attention.